So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from eBay account to your bank account. So first of all, you will need to log in. After that, you will see this hi and then your name in the top left corner of the dashboard, and you can see your name, your account settings, and sign out. Now you can check your payment info and withdrawal through there. You can also go to my eBay and find some of these options under selling or some other tabs on there, but I suggest we go through here and click on account settings. On here you can see some tabs like personal info, selling, donation preferences, account preferences, and you can see payment info or payment information right here, and you can go ahead and click on this payments tab. Now once you're at this payment tab and you sold something or you made a transaction on your eBay account, so you can see here add a checkout method. Checkout is faster than when you have a credit or debit card on file, so you can add cards and accounts. So this is important to note that once you add an account, that means that it's going to be transferred the money for your listing, and that is all through the seller's page. So you can even find it on here through your seller account. You can find a similar payment info tab on there, and you can see the option to withdraw. Now through here you will see the option withdraw or initiate a payout, something similar to that, and just put in the amount you wish to withdraw and the method you wish to withdraw through. So put in your debit card or some other account and you will withdraw your money through there. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on eBay or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.